Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you learn how to use powerful visualization in Power BI. From line chart, stack charts, bar charts, funnel charts, cards, new cards, pie charts, donut charts, tables, metrics, maps, and slicers to filter data instantly. Together, these visuals build in powerful dashboard that drive smarter decision making. Let's get it started. This is the data that we'll be working with. The first step we are going to do is to add measures. Go to modeling, then pick a table. Then let's rename it to my measures. Press OK. Then let's add a new measure. Go to new measure. We're going to add total revenue. Total revenue, which equal to, we are going to use sum, then press tab, then pick revenue, then press OK. Let's add another measure. Go to new measure. We're going to add total cost. Then let's rename this to total cost, which equal, we're going to use the sum, then press tab, then let's pick cost, then enter. Let's add another measure. Go to new measure. We're going to add total units. Let's rename this. These are DAX functions. In case you're new to DAX, there is a video I did on DAX. You can check it out. So the total units equal to sum. It's going to sum all the units sold. Let's look for it. Okay, units sold. Then press enter. So go to new measure. We're going to add profit, which is normally revenue minus total cost. The good thing about DAX is that you can reuse the measures. Like for example, we're going to reuse total revenue and total cost. So just type profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. Then press enter. Now we're done with our measures. The next thing is to do the visualizations. We're going to begin with the line chart. So go to the visualization pane and pick the line chart. Then let's resize it. Okay. Then let's pick the date. Go to date hierarchy. Pick the month. We're only interested with the month. Then pick the total revenue. That's how it's looking like. So let's resize it. Let's resize it. Okay. Then let's format it. Go to format visuals. Then go to X axis. Then we are going to change the font to blue. Pick blue color. Okay. Then make it bold. Then let's remove this month. Then just turn off the title. Okay, it's gone. The next thing is to remove these ones on the y-axis. Just go on the y-axis and turn off the values. Turn off the values. Then let's scroll down to title, turn it off. Okay, now it's looking a bit okay. Let's go to general. Let's change the heading color to blue. Then let's add a shade area. Go to let's scroll down to find the shade area. Okay, then turn it on. Let's resize it a bit. Then we are going to add the markers. So let's go to markers. Then turn on show for all categories. Okay, it's okay. So we can use any shape that you want. Okay, can use that. But let's go with the star. Okay. Then let's change the color to blue. Let's change it to, let's go with that pinkish. Now let's pick that one. Okay, now it's looking okay. So let's add a shadow. Okay. So let's add the data labels. Okay, and let's change this color to blue. Okay. Let's change the color of the title. Let's change the color to, I think let's go with this lighter blue. Okay, now it's looking okay. Let's resize it. Let's resize. Okay. Let's put it in this corner to give us more space for other visuals. Resize it a bit. Okay, the next visual we're going to do is a funnel chart. So go to visualization pane and pick it. So let's pick total revenue and product. You're going to find total revenue per product. Okay, that's how it's looking. And let's format paint it. Pick a format painter. Okay. Let's resize this a bit. Okay, let's remove the percentages. Go to visuals. Go to format your visual. Click it. Then turn off the conversion rate. So they are gone. Let's go to category levels and let's change it to, I think let's go with that blue. Okay, let's change the color. The category labels, let's use blue. I think that's blue is okay. So it's looking okay. The next chart you're going to do is stacked column chart. Go to visualization pane, then pick it. Pick revenue, then pick product. You're going to format paint it. So let's click this one, pick format painter, then format paint it. So to change the back colors, we are going to pick the product and drag to the legend. Pick the product, drag to the legend. Okay. The next thing is to remove the legends, then turn it off. So let's change the values. Let's change the values to, let's go with white. Okay, now it's looking okay. The next chart we are going to do is a donut chart. So go to visualization pane, same process. Pick the donut chart, then pick the total units and country. Let's go to the legends and so let's change the data labels. Can you go with black? Then remove the bold. Then the data labels. Okay, let's go back to our donut chart. Go to format visuals. Okay, let's change the visual, the title. Let's give it a nice color. Let's go with blue. Then format paint that one. Okay. Go to effects and drop a shadow. Format paint it. Format paint that. Okay. Let's move it up there. Let's resize it. Let's resize that one. Resize this one too. Okay. So let's create some space here. Now we are going to do a stacked bar chart. Go to visualization pane and pick it. Then let's pick our product and profit. Okay. So I'm going to remove the grid lines. Let's format paint first. The next thing is to remove the grid lines. So let's go to format visuals, grid lines, then turn it off. They are all gone. Yeah. Okay, to change the data bars, same. Pick the product and drag it to legend. Okay, sorry. Let's scroll it a bit. Pick the product, drop it to the legend, then turn off the legend. Let's resize it. Resize. The next visualization we are going to do is a table. So go to visualization pane, pick it, pick the month, pick the total units, pick revenue, pick cost, and pick profit. Then let's resize this to create more space for our table visual. Format paint. So let's resize so that everything fits in. Resize. So the next thing we're going to do is to format the column headers. We're going to start with the background. Let's do a blue background. So click the background, pick blue. Let's change the font text color to white. Then let's make it bold. Let's make it bold. Okay. Let's resize this one. Let's remove the totals. Go to visuals. No, that one. Okay. Let's look for it. Okay, the totals. Click it, turn it off. Okay, everything is okay now. Let's go to grid. You can do horizontal grid, change the color. Let's go with blue. Even the vertical, turn it on. The next thing you're going to do is to do a conditional formatting on the profits. So right click on the profit, then conditional formatting. Then you're going to go with the data bars. So it will open this page. So the positive ones, you're going to go with the reddish, and the negative bar, let's go with green, something greenish, okay? Then press OK. The next visualization we're going to do is the new card for our KPIs. So click total units, total revenue, total cost, and total profit. Okay, let's put it up here. Let's resize. This is the new card. It's going to contain all our KPIs. Just to have them all at a glance. Then let's change the layers to rounded rectangle. Then let's go with size 5. Size 5. Let's remove the background. Then it's not having everything, so we are going to go back to layout. Layout, let's look for a layout. Okay, layout. Then let's change the cards to 5. Okay, now it's having everything. Let's go to format visual. Let's change the values. Okay, let's change the font to 16 and the color to blue. We're going to go with the usual blue. Let's go with blue. Okay. Let's center them. So let's change these other ones to the heading to blue. Pick, let's go with I think Arial black. Okay. So I'm going to reduce the space in between to, I think, to 4. Okay. Let's resize. Let's position it well on our dashboard. Let's resize this. Let's reduce their sizes. Give us enough space up here for our card. Let's drag this down. Okay. The next step is to add slices. So let's go to visualization pane and pick the slices. So Let's go with what do you want to slice? Let's pick the product. Okay. So let's go to format visuals to format our slicer. Okay, let's pick the style. Let's go with the tile. Let's resize it. Let's resize it so that it contains all of them. Okay, let's put it up here. Resize again. So let's change the font color to blue and bold. Then pick Arial black. Okay. Let's remove the headers. So let's format the values. Let's pick a color. Let's go with the blue. Let's add another slicer. So let's go to visualization pane and pick a slicer. Okay. So let's pick the country, then format the slicer. Let's go to slicer settings. Let's go with tile. Let's resize it. Let's resize. Okay, let's move it up there. Then go to general. Go to remove the background. Then let's change the color to white. Then bold. Then what you're going to do is to change the values color. Go to values. Then let's change the color to white. Let's see. Oh, it's not visible. Let's try another one. Let's pick it from here. Let's go with that greenish yellow. Press OK. Let's see the effect. Still not clear. Okay, let's do another one. Blue. Okay. Now let's go with black. Let's see the effect. Okay, that's okay. So let's copy this to add another slicer. Copy, paste. Let's drag it here. Let's format it. Remove the country. And we are going to pick the year. Okay. Okay, let's see the effect. Okay, our slicer is working. Okay, it's working. Let's try this other slicer. Okay, it's working. Very interactive. Okay. Let's rename this to this page 1 to, I think you're going to go with the visuals. Then this one, now we're going to create matrix visual. Rename that to matrix. So let's go to visualization pane and pick it. Okay. So let's resize it. Pick the product. Pick the product. Drag it to the rows. Okay, let's pick the country. Drag it to the columns. Drag it there. It's coming out nicely. Then let's pick our revenue. Drop it to the values. Let's resize it. Resize it. Okay. Then let's go to our layout and turn on the horizontal grid. Let's go with blue. And remove the subtotals. Let's remove these subtotals. Let's remove these ones. Go to column header. Okay, column subtotals. Turn it off. Row subtotals too. Then let's resize it. Then go to general. Let's add effects. Remove the background color. Apply a shadow. Then the title. So that is the report view. Let's go back. Okay, now let's do a map visual. Let's rename this to map visual. In case it's your first time, I have a full video of map visuals. You can check it out. Go to visualization pane, pick the map, pick the country and drop it to the map. And then let's go with the units, total revenue. Okay. Let's turn on the zoom buttons. You can zoom in and zoom out just like that. Then let's turn on the category labels. Then let's go to bubbles. You can change the size. You can change the color. Let's go with purple. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Bye.